Hello everyone, it's around 4:30 in the morning right now. I can't sleep, and I just decided that I was going to talk to you guys for a little bit. Well, basically what I want to talk about is, I guess we'll talk about New Year's resolutions. So, as people have seen on the channel's been growing quite a bit. And that really excites me for a couple reasons. It means that I'm going to have a little bit more people watching my Twitch channel, if at all possible. And also, it means that it's given me a drive to actually put some more content on YouTube. So what I mean by this is, I'm going to basically be, this year, I'm going to put my mind to it, and I'm going to try to put out a couple videos a month at least. Like, I'm not giving a set amount. I'm just saying I'm going to try to do a couple of videos every month because I want to get a little bit more active here on YouTube. And they'll include videos from actual game content to VODs from my live stream to probably just sit down and talk videos like this. Another thing I'm going to be doing is, starting that 1st January, I am going to be going back to the gym. I want to get back to the gym. I want to stop, on my days off I like to live stream, but I can do that in the afternoon portion of the days I have off. For the mornings, I'd like to go to the gym just to get the blood flowing, get the pump on and stuff. Just try to cut down on this, like just cut it down. And I've lost quite a bit over this year, and that was not doing anything super serious. I want to start this year off right, and that's going to be getting a little bit more healthier. That being said, it means I'm going to be a little bit more tired because it's going to basically be workout, work, live stream, YouTube. Like, I'm putting a little bit more emphasis on live streaming this year because I've really enjoyed live streaming over the past couple of months, and I really haven't been putting too much of a focus on it. And I got about 50 followers on Twitch now, so I think it's time that I start paying attention to Twitch just a little bit more. I'm trying to keep my voice down because there are people in this house that still sleep. So I've got two resolutions down so far. The third one is, of course, involving Twitch. So whether I work or whether I don't work, I do want to try to get some streaming in. I think streaming a couple days a week is fine. So basically, my work days will usually consist of 11 to 4s because that's how the hours are set up right now. And if that's going to be the case, then I don't do anything in the morning. I just rest in the morning, and then the 4 o'clock on is basically, I'll go from 4 to probably, I'm not saying that, about 4:30, about 4 to 6, I think. So as soon as I leave work, just because the gym's right across from work, I'll leave work with change clothes and then go to the gym. And basically what I'll be doing is I'll go work and then gym, and then that'll be about 4 to 6 my time, or whenever I get off of work that day. And then we'll come back home. I'll make sure that I'm not like gross looking like I am now. I'll make sure I'm not gross looking, and then I'll come home and we'll stream for what? So let's say around 6:30 to 6:30, whenever I get home from then, for like maybe 2 hours, we'll do a stream. And that'll be the routine. And I want to get myself into that routine so that way I don't slip out of that routine. And it's going to be up to you guys to be making that routine possible. I mean, if I start seeing people that show up, right? I mean, that's going to mean meaning I want to do it more. Just, for simple facts like, trying to entertain people. And, there are the select few people that really enjoy what I do on Twitch and my YouTube, and I've gotten donations from it, and I really appreciate everything that everybody's done. There's been, two people, three people in particular. One of them doesn't want to be named, but Nalgag has helped me out quite a bit, and Death Tracker has helped me out quite a bit. And you don't really recognize those names from YouTube because they're people I met through streaming, and I met so many fun people through streaming. It is amazing what, I'm privileged to do. I really do feel privileged. And then what I'm also finding is that I'm drawing a lot of inspiration because I don't want to be like this anymore. I don't want to be, super big. And I mean, like, this is, I'm pretty big. Oh, sorry. That's the reason I can't be sleeping, because I keep coughing every like 5 minutes. So yeah, that's really what I really wanted to talk about. And like I said, I've been drawing inspiration from a lot of people. I've been drawing inspiration from Bajira, and Swifty, and even Haunted. Like, have you seen Haunted lately? He's pretty, he's getting down. So I think that this year is the year that Hal goes through, I guess, sort of a makeover. I want to be better physically. I want to be better mentally. Because if I'm better physically, then I'm better mentally. Trust me. Nothing's really going to change. It's just that I'm going to try to put a little bit more focus on me, and then also the virtual me. Because virtual me is basically myself in real life, just through the computer to you guys. And I don't want to let either of them slip away. So that's the plan for that. Like I said, hopefully they're open January 1st. Sorry. Hopefully they're open January 1st. So I can start that day. Back to the gym. And I want to go right on through. It's going to be close to a year in February this year that I'll have, it'll be a year in February that I've been at the current job I'm at, and I've loved the fact that I get to work there. I've gotten over 1,000, sorry, I think I've got almost 1,000 hours, almost over 1,000 hours, there, so, it's really been, I haven't been working there a lot, but I have been working there, and it's been great. It's just the extra, to have a little bit of extra money is just a little bit better than nothing. And that's one of the other resolutions I have, is I'm going to be a little bit better with money this year. I'm going to allot myself an amount per month that I can spend on video games, excluding donations. So if someone donates, it would never be something this big, but like someone donates $50. So someone donates $50. Well, I'll say $50 is quite a bit of money. I keep 25 of it for my PayPal, just to keep it up, and then the other 25, it'll go towards games for the channel, to play, games to give away on the live streams, games to give away on my YouTube, and of course that's going to be a lot of self-funded stuff. And you know, I don't do this as a job. This isn't a job. This is just something I do in my extra time when I can. I treat it like a job because I'd like to, maybe one day when, you know, it becomes the ability to be a job, I can be good at it. And I think that's just really what I want to do. So yeah. So what have we got? We've got better myself, better the channel, better the Twitch, basically, because that's two separate things, and be a little bit better with my finances. So I don't end up, you know, because I'm paying for what? SWTOR, World of Warcraft. And then every so often there's a Steam sale, and I'll go crazy on a Steam sale. So I don't want to do that. I don't want to be, you know, constantly in need of money. So budgeting a little bit better, you know, tucking money away, that sort of thing. Because I do eventually this summer want to go visit Tor. So hopefully that happens. I'm sorry about that. I really am. That cough is annoying. I think I'm getting sick again, which is disgusting, but, you know. So, yeah, I really think that's the gist of it. Like I said, I'd like to just better myself in general, which in turn betters the channel and then betters the Twitch. So, I've rambled on enough, I think. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a fantastic New Year's. Be safe. And, you know, post up your resolutions, because I'm sure people, even if one person wants to see it, it's worth it. One person sees it, and they have the same minded, like, goals, and they'll see it, and they'll say, hey, I'm going to help this person, he can help me. Or she. Yeah, who knows. That's probably one of the other things. It's like, hell, I thought you know, maybe one of your resolutions would be to get a girlfriend. Well, not really, because if I happen to find the right person for me, so be it, right? But I'm not gonna actively look, because just looking, you look in the wrong places. So, yeah. Peace out, people. Thank you guys for watching. Happy New Year. And thank every single one of you for just being you. Peace out, guys.